Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the series of exception handling videos, we covered already various exceptions, how we can able to handle, like arithmetic exception, array index out of bound exception, string index out of bound exception, null pointer exception. Okay, these things we covered, illegal argument exception. All these things we covered very clearly in the last videos. Now, in this video, I am going to explain one more exception called number format exception. What is mean by this number format exception? In the sense, very simple. Generally, we can convert a string into integer. It is possible because within double quotations, if you are taking anything, then it is called as a string, right? Within double quotations, if you take anything, it is called as a string. Now, can we convert this 10 into integer? Yes, no problem. The output what we are going to get is 10. Is it possible to convert this value into integer? No. Why? Because even though it is mentioned within double quotations, we can apply conversion of integer function to this. But really, is the content is integer? No, right? Then we will get runtime error saying number format exception. Like this we will get. Okay, what is mean by this number format exception? When we are trying to convert a string object into integer values, really if the content of the string is number, it will convert. Otherwise, what will happen? We will get number format exception. Let me demonstrate this with the help of a simple example. I am taking a Java program and I am giving this name of the Java program as test.java. Okay, I am giving the file name as test.java. Now I am taking integer. First, let me take a string. So string s is equal to, within quotations I am taking 10. Now my requirement is I want to convert this string into integer. In wrapper classes, there is one special function is there in integer wrapper class. What is the function name is parse int, like this. So it is converting the given string into integer. Can I print that integer value? Yes, happily we can print. Now I am going to run this program and you can see what output we are going to get. So Java C test.java I am taking. Is the program compiled? Perfectly. Java space test I am taking. Is the program is executed? Yes. What output we got? 10 is the result. Up to this, okay, there is no problem. Now I will try to convert to TEN. I will try to convert to TEN. So can I take here TEN? In this line, we are going to expect runtime exception saying number format exception, like this. Okay. Now let us compile the code. Is the code compiles fine? Yes. When you are trying to run the program, you can see there is one exception in the main thread. What is the name of that exception? Java.lang.number format exception. Like this we are going to get. This is nothing but what is mean by number format exception and when we are going to get this number format exception. I hope you people got very clear clarity about number format exception. Thank you, friends.